Morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world on them. How much I uno member tuna? Me say uno member tuna. Me remember back in the day when my granny used to use this wash me hair, and today me I go show no. As much as me not have enough hair on my head, we used to just cut it like this, you know. And you take your tuna man and you soap up your hair. You see what me I say? These are memories, my people. Memories of using all natural organic tuna to wash your hair. And you know what me used to do? I used to make it sit in there a little bit, and then after that, a hose. You see me, I use it today, but back in the day, I done a river, me go wash out my hair. See there? All natural, all natural. Me don't need shampoo. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, and night, any which part of the world you know there.